Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to verify your Shopify domain with Google Search Console. Verifying your domain helps us monitor website performance, fix indexing issues, and improve our SEO. Let's go step by step to get it verified. Now, in the dashboard, we just need to open a new tab and then type Google Search Console. Once we are here, we just need to log into our account. If we do not have one yet, we just need to create one. Here, we click Create or Connect your store. Now, we just need to click this URL and then type our store URL here. To get our store URL, we just need to go back to Shopify and go to Online Store. Once we are here, we just need to click View Store. This is our URL. We just need to select all of it, right-click, then copy, and then paste it here. Once we are done, we just need to click Continue to check for verification. This may take some time. As we can see, there are HTML tags. We just need to copy this HTML to verify. We just need to click this meta tag at the lower part and then copy it. This is the URL, the meta tag. Let's take an example. We will highlight all of this, copy our meta tag, and paste it here. This is our meta tag. Then we will go back to our Shopify store to paste our meta tag. We just need to click Edit Theme in our Shopify store. Then we click the three dots and click Edit Code. Let's wait for this to load. Now, once we are here, we just need to click this. We need to click or search for theme.liquid. We can search for it here. Just search for liquid. We just need to click this one. Here, we can see it in our layout, now our theme.liquid. And on the top part here, we can see meta. We just need to click this, enter this head, and then paste the meta tag we copied. Paste it here, as you can see, and click Save. Once we are done saving, we go back to Google Search Console and then verify. Now this will take some time for verification. Look. Now it has failed because we do not have a plan here. We are just showing how to verify. But if you have a plan and your store is launched, it will verify, and it just takes a minute to verify this with Google Search Console. And that's how we verify our Shopify domain with Google Search Console. With this setup, we can track our site's visibility and optimize our store for better search rankings.